Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class on telling the time.
Hi Emma, I am ready to learn the time.
First, I will show the structure of this class. Theory. We learn the main rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct answer. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory, step by step.
Great. I will look at the clock.
Asking for the time. To ask for the time, use what time is it? Example. What time is it? Example. Excuse me, what time is it? To answer, start with it is or it's before the time. Example. It is 3 o'clock. Example. It's 5:30. Exact hours with o'clock. Use o'clock when the clock shows an exact hour. Example. It's 1 o'clock. Example. It's 6 o'clock. Example. It's 10 o'clock. Hours and minutes. For many times, say the hour first and the minutes after it. Example. It's 2:15. Example. It's 7:20. Example. It's 9:45. For minutes from 1 to 9, say O before the minute. Example. It's 4:05. Example. It's 8:02. Half and quarter. Use half past for 30 minutes after an hour. Example. It's 3:30. Example. It's 11:30. Use quarter past for 15 minutes after an hour. Example. It's 2:15. Example. It's 8:15. Time of day and at. Use AM for morning times and PM for afternoon and evening times. Example. It's 7 a.m. Example. It's 7 p.m. Use at before a time to say when something happens. Example. The train leaves at 6 o'clock. Example. The class starts at 9:30. Good work with the theory.
Examples will help me say the time.
It's 12 o'clock. It's 3:10. It's 5:06. It's 7:30. It's 9:15. The movie starts at 8 p.m. The bus arrives at 4:15. It's 6:40. It's 2 p.m. It's 8 a.m. The shop opens at 10 o'clock. The clock says 1:25. It's 11:09. The meeting is at 2:30. What time is the game? Now it is quiz time.
I am ready to choose the correct time.
Choose an option. Four o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Choose an option. Half past 5. It's 5:30. Choose an option. Quarter past 1. It's 1:15. Choose an option. Oh, 3. It's 7:03. Choose an option. At 6:15. The train leaves at 6:15. Choose an option. What time? What time is it? Choose an option. 9:20. It's 9:20. Choose an option. Eight a.m. It's 8 a.m. Choose an option. Eight p.m. It's 8 p.m. Choose an option. At 10 o'clock. The class starts at 10 o'clock. Choose an option. $2:45. It's 2:45. Choose an option. One o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Good job. You completed the class. See you in the next class.
Thank you, Emma.